Hi, my name is John Berglund, Master Perfumer at Tijon, and I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss with you the role of perfume as it relates to sexual relations. It's a fact that scents stimulate our sexual desire and increase our libidos and fantasies. Our sense of smell is our body's most important sense in triggering emotions and memories. You have a nice wardrobe of clothing and shoes, but do you have a wardrobe of perfumes? One for each occasion, the weather, the climate, the event, the mood. If you're out shopping for a new perfume, don't be intimidated. Let your nose guide you. Scent is instinctual and shouldn't be overthought. Perfumes aren't just for dating. Nice aromas in the bedroom can be a fun and sensual part of our foreplay repertoire. The term aphrodisiac comes from the goddess Aphrodite, who's known for her beauty, love, desire, and passion. She has that inner fire that many are looking for but are afraid to talk about. Certain oils have aphrodisiac qualities and can actually, studies confirm, some can actually increase genital blood flow and make you look more attractive to the opposite sex. Some of these oils include rose, jasmine, lavender, ylang-ylang, lime, cinnamon, vanilla, amber, patchouli, and sandalwood, among others. Oils that men like on a woman include lily of the valley and vanilla. Oils that men like, that women like on a man include vanilla, lime, leather, and musk. Some of the sexiest perfumes that I've found in the market are Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle and Le Labo Santal 33. However, these are mass-produced perfumes. If you're looking for a niche perfume, look to the smaller perfume houses like Tijon, where we hand bottle each perfume, choosing only the finest quality ingredients found in the Caribbean and worldwide. And if you're looking for the most niche perfume and exclusive formula just for you, consider going online at Tijon and creating your own formula perfume online with a money-back guarantee. So enjoy, explore, and have a lot of fun.